race in the jungle. Friends, do you want to listen to a story today? Okay, listen carefully. I will tell you a story now. Once upon a time, there was a big jungle. Lots of animals lived in that jungle. One day, the king of the jungle, the lion, called all the animals. He told them that he was going to have a sports competition for all the animals.
Oh, this is going to be lots of fun. I am very fast. I will win the running race.
I can hop very well. I will win the long jump.
Can anyone beat me in high jump?
Oh, Giraffe, no way. Only someone from your family can win the high jump.
But there has to be a running race for us too.
Running race for you? Can you even run, Tortoise? Oh yes, there can be a race for you and the snails.
Now listen, all of you. Monku will be the umpire for all the races. You can start the race now.
Come here, all of you. First, there will be a running race for the tortoises and snails. This will be the starting line. You will all stand in a line now. It will be a 20-meter race.
20 meters? Till where is 20 meters, Monku?
That is the finishing line, Tortoise. From the starting line to that finishing line, it is 20 meters. Okay, you are 4 tortoises and 3 snails. You can start running only when I blow my whistle.
Look at the tortoise and the snails. It is a running race, but they can't even walk fast. Come on, run fast now. Let me measure how far they are from the finishing line.
How will you do that, Rabbit?
I have a meter rope. Look, this rope is 1 meter long. Let me now measure how far the tortoise is from the finishing line. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is 11 meters away from the finishing line.
It is a 20-meter race. Tortoise 1 is 11 meters away from the finishing line. Do you know how many meters he has run so far?
Oh yes, I can tell you. It is 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. So tortoise 1 has run 9 meters till now. Let me measure the distance for the other also. Snail 1 is 13 meters away from the finishing line.
I will tell you how many meters it has run till now. It is 20 minus 13 is equal to 7. It has run 7 meters till now. Tortoise 2 is 14 meters away and Snail 2 is 16 meters away from the finishing line. Rabbit, can you tell how far Tortoise 2 is ahead of Snail 2?
Oh yes, I can. Tortoise 2 is 14 meters away from the finishing line. Snail 2 is 16 meters away from the finishing line. It is 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. It is 2 meters. So Tortoise 2 is 2 meters ahead of Snail 2. Oh, Monku, they are going to take the whole of today to run their race. Come, let's go and begin the other races.
Okay, come. The horses will have to run a 1500-meter race.
1500 meters race? How far is that?
I will tell you. You just have to remember this. 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer.
1000 meters makes 1 kilometer? Does that mean that 500 meters makes half a kilometer?
That's right, Rabbit. It is a 1500 meters race. 1500 is 1000 plus 500. So the horses have to run 1.5 kilometers.
This is funny. The tortoises and snails can only run a 20-meter race and the horses can run a 1500-meter race?
That's right, dear. The horses have to run around this field.
Why round and round, Monku?
That is because one full round of this field is only 500 meters. It is a 1500 meters race. So the horses have to run 3 times around this field.
Now I know. One full round of this field is 500 meters. The horses have to run 1500 meters. So it is 500 into 3 is equal to 1500. Or we can also say it like 1500 divided by 500 is equal to 3. The horses have to run 3 times around this field.
That's right, dear. But you are very fast. You can run a 3000-meter race.
3000 meters? I know 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. So 3000 meters make 3 kilometers. This is going to be fun. We have to run a 3-kilometer race. Oh, Monku, stop! If we run 3 kilometers, In this direction, we will reach the tiger's cave. Oh my God! The tiger will have a big feast today. We will also run around this field.
Oh, poor dear. Monku let them also run around the field. But how many rounds will the deer have to take to run a 3,000-meter race?
Let me tell you, each round of this field is 500 meters. The deer have to run a 3,000-meter race. So it is 3,000 divided by 500, which is equal to 6. Or we can do it like this. 500 into 6, which is equal to 3,000. So the deer have to run 6 times around the field.
Oh dear, be ready to run fast. You have a long race to run. Okay, Monku, let's do the long jump first.
Are you ready, Rabbit? The frogs also want to do the long jump with you. Now, let's start. Rabbit, you jump first.
No, Monku. My brother wants to jump first. So let him jump. How far is his jump?
You have jumped 5 meters and 60 centimeters. That's a very good jump. Okay, the frogs will jump now. Let me measure the frog's jump. It is 5 meters and 20 centimeters. The rabbit jumped 5 meters and 60 centimeters. Frog has jumped 5 meters and 20 centimeters. So the frog's jump is 40 centimeters less than the rabbit's jump.
That's good. Now let the other frog jump.
This frog has jumped 5 meters and 15 centimeters. The first frog jumped 5 meters and 20 centimeters. So the second frog's jump is only 5 centimeters less than the first frog's. So Rabbit, your brother is leading. Now you can jump.
I want to jump 6 meters. How much further should I jump to be better than my brother?
I will tell you. You just have to remember this. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So, can you tell me how much is half a meter?
Yes, I can. Half a meter is 50 centimeters. Now I will tell you, Wonku. My brother jumped 5 meters and 60 centimeters. I want to jump 6 meters. Oh, Monku. How do I find out how much more I have to jump?
100 centimeters make 1 meter. Your brother jumped 5 meters and 60 centimeters. Now you have to make 60 centimeters into 1 meter so that you can jump 6 meters.
I know how to do this. It is 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. So I have to jump 40 centimeters more than my brother to make it 6 meters. I am going to try my best now. Let me jump.
Okay, let me measure your jump, Rabbit. You have jumped 6 meters and 10 centimeters. That is a very good jump. You have won, Rabbit.
Thank you, Monku. We have to call the giraffes for the high jump now. How do these giraffes grow so tall? What will be their height, Monku?
Nature has created us all very different from each other. Just like some of us can hop, some can fly, some can run very fast, some are thin, some are fat, some are short, and some are tall like a giraffe. Look, the giraffe is here. Parrot, can you please measure the giraffe's height?
The giraffe is 5 meters tall.
Okay, now let me measure my height. I am only half of this 1 meter rope. So I am only 50 centimeters tall. Parrot, can you please measure the elephant's height?
Ooh, the elephant is 3 meters tall.
The giraffe is 5 meters tall. The elephant is 3 meters tall. Can you tell me this? By how many meters is the giraffe taller than the elephant?
Oh, it is very simple. It is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 meters. The giraffe is taller than the elephant by 2 meters.
But do you know that Qutub Minar is 72 meters high?
Qutub Minar? Where is it? How do you know about it?
Ooh, I went flying to Delhi once. I saw the Qutub Minar. It was very tall. I found out that it is 72 meters tall.
Qutub Minar is a really tall pillar, Parrot. But is it taller than this tree?
Oh yes, dear. If we put 10 such trees, one on top of the other, then they will be as tall as the Qutub Minar.
Yes, the Qutub Minar was built hundreds of years ago. And it is a beautiful pillar.
Where are the frogs going, Monku?
They are going back to their pond. Their pond is 3 kilometers away from here.
I know their pond. It is 5 kilometers from my burrow.
I also know their pond. It is 7 kilometers from home.
But it is only 2 kilometers from the tree on which I have my nest. So I live closest to the pond.
That's right, Parrot. And I live farthest from the pond.
I think I live closest to the jungle pond. First, I walk on the ground for 300 meters. Then I swing across many trees for 400 meters. Then I make a 50 meters jump to cross the anthill. Then I have to walk again for 50 meters to reach the pond. Now can you tell me how far my house is from the pond?
I can tell you, Monku. I will do it in my mind. 300 plus 400 is 700. Then it is 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. Now I will add 700 and 100. That is 800. Oh, Monku, your home is 800 meters away from the pond. So you live closest to the pond.
That's right, Rabbit. I live closest to the pond. Oh, look up, all of you. What a lovely kite. It is flying so high.
But I can fly higher than that kite. Look, I can fly high.
Look up, Parrot. There is an aeroplane above you. Can you fly higher than that plane?
Oh no, Rabbit, I can't.
The kite looks very beautiful. Can it fly higher than the Qutub Minar? How long will that thread be, Monku?
Dear, if the kite has to fly higher than the Qutub Minar, the thread has to be very long. It has to be longer than 72 meters. Because the Qutub Minar is 72 meters high. Parrot, can you tell us who is flying the kite?
I can see a little boy flying the kite. I think he is Chinu. I will ask him how long the thread is. Good morning, Chinu. How long is your thread?
Good morning, Parrot. My thread is 25 meters long. Friends, do you also fly kites? Do you know how long your thread is? How far is your school from your house? Do you know how tall you are? Find out, friends. Find out. Tell me tomorrow. Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
Seema is 140 centimeters tall. Reema is 152 centimeters tall. And Bhima is 144 centimeters tall. Who is the tallest of the three? Reema. Who is the shortest? Seema. How taller is Reema than Seema? 152 centimeters minus 140 centimeters. 12. Reema is taller than Seema by 12 centimeters. How taller is Bhima than Seema? 144 minus 140. 4. Bhima
Rima is taller than Seema by 4 centimeters. Gomati, Mary, Naina and Rashida ran a 100-meter race. Gomati is 30 meters away from finishing line. Mary is 10 meters away from finishing line. Naina is 45 meters away from finishing line. Rashida is 35 meters away from finishing line. How many meters has Mary run already? 100 minus 10, 90. Mary has run 90 meters already. How many meters has Naina run already? 100 minus 45, which is equal to 55. Naina has run 55 meters already. How many meters has Gomati run already? 100 minus 30, which is equal to 70. Gomati has run 70 meters already. How many meters has Rashida run already? 100 minus 35, which is equal to 65. Rashida has run 65 meters already. Who is the closest to the finishing line? Mary. Who is farthest from the finishing line? Naina. Who is faster, Naina or Gomati? Gomati is faster than Naina. Who is faster, Rashida or Naina? Rashida is faster than Naina. Who is faster, Rashida or Mary? Mary is faster than Rashida. Who is the fastest? Mary. Raju, Ishmael, Toman and Peter buy cloth for their shirts. Raju buys 2 meters 25 centimeters of cloth. Ishmael buys 20 centimeters less than Raju. Toman buys 10 centimeters more than Raju. Peter buys 5 centimeters less than Raju. How much cloth did Ishmael buy? 2 meters 25 centimeters minus 20 centimeters. 2 meters 5 centimeters. Ishmael bought 2 meters 5 centimeters of cloth. How much cloth did Toman buy? 2 meters 25 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. 2 meters 35 centimeters. Toman bought 2 meters 35 centimeters of cloth. How much cloth did Peter buy? 2 meters 25 centimeters minus 5 centimeters. 2 meters 20 centimeters. Peter bought 2 meters 20 centimeters of cloth. Who bought the most cloth? Toman bought the most cloth. Who bought the least cloth? Ishmael bought the least cloth. Look at the picture carefully. A tiger is in the middle. Who is closest to the tiger? The rabbit. Who is the farthest from the tiger? The deer. Who is closer to the rabbit? The monkey or the frog? The monkey. Who is the closest to the pond? The deer. Who is closer to the deer? The frog or the monkey? The frog. Who do you think the tiger will eat?
Shall we match the following now?
1 meter, 100 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 1/2 meter, 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer. 2,000 meters. 2 kilometers. 500 meters. 1/2 kilometer. 1,500 meters. 1 kilometer 500 meters. 1,500 meters. 1.5 kilometers. 2 into 400 meters. 800 meters. 3,000 meters. 3 kilometers. 3 into 400 meters. 1,200 meters. 1 kilometer 200 meters. 1 meter. 100 centimeters. 50 centimeters. 1/2 meter. 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer. 2,000 meters. 2 kilometers. 500 meters. 1/2 kilometer. 1,500 meters. 1 kilometer 500 meters. 1,500 meters. 1.5 kilometers. 2 into 400 meters. 800 meters. 3,000 meters. 3 kilometers. 3 into 400 meters. 1,200 meters. 1 kilometer 200 meters. Goodbye, friends.